In this video, I'll show you how to make your YouTube videos unlisted. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing to the channel and giving this video a like so others can find it. This is a really great feature that you can use in case you want to post a video but you don't want your subscribers to see it. You only want the people that you give the link to your video to be able to see your video. And doing so, it's very simple. Simply click on Create on your YouTube channel and select Upload Video. Select the video that you want to upload. I'm just going to give this a few seconds while my video uploads, but we can go ahead and give our video a title and a description in case that's necessary. I'm just going to skip the next few parts, but now you just have to add your video elements and checks. So I'm just going to go ahead and click Next. And here under Visibility, you're going to have three options. You can make your video private, meaning that only you can watch the video and the people you choose to share it with. Unlisted means that anyone with the video link can watch your video, and public simply means that everyone can watch your video. So of course, we're going to click on Unlisted and just go ahead and save your video. Of course, it might take a few seconds for this video to process, but once it's ready, all you have to do is to copy the video link and share it with someone else. Hope that helps.